enche de be yere se me na obi be che wo enti ada so be chusu mi abe chusu enti ye beti sisia ela wonti mi su nyimem enyimem firim
o de mete but ye
program 954
so
na 954 me drew her mo production team in fact I need to fire them
947
that attitude is bad
947 By Omubuefuno.
What was I?
Omubuefuno.
Oh, Abuja. Every day I'm a bunch of Yamijana Hanuche. That thing should stop. Look, let me tell you something.
Me bantem, me betena na yani obi edi nkomosa me bukrampo fu ya kakakra na me koye.
Did now eka hubi? Etina me kan ho asem no.
Nti ba no de next week say o ba say.
What I mean is that me next time me ba na bia me fancy market ya kan be jina o ma market me tema me piako. I am saying this on air for people to understand. What kind of a you don't know?
Young quay. There's a issue, so you can't in your kabum. Oh, Yaka, Professor from Watson, court your Makui, and Yaka minority press conference on Macan, so Mubasha to hold the matter, Mudi matter, move on them. Bianca say, I don't know about Bianca say, that's all the Obo them. Open talk.
Well, Mamin call minority press conference.
Okay.
I think that Madika can baby say a diversionary tactics. Niama ABCC Saturday, and on person motion. I join a free show. And from now on, before the Saturday, no so no. Say minority leader there. Obia who say was support to Kennedy Agyapong.
Oh, when you're open.
Oh, when you're open, say. On Facebook or Facebook or post to Kennedy Agyapong. Now, what she said, the MPP for the be winning a more. What we say? A Janevano. You see, a party like Obia free say, yes, say, you call one side. Make you know how many I say. And these people describe themselves as the apostles of democracy. I don't know. You claim say you are the apostle of democracy. And so no more democracy within you. Yes, it's a wajune. Na menso menchira majune. Eti ye ko contest. Nipa numu na eko. We se bi pewe. Ebi mu nti asiesa. Esiso obia be di nipa ba kwa china nka efo ni nyina nya zero. Do we call that a democracy? I don't think so. Enti no press conference no na eja omo de katakata. Sa wo hwe omo ankasa otimu say they were just joking. So, Afenyo Markin eko KSM program so. Nkomodie mu no waka asem bi. Was it the way NDC are taking off omo kono. So omo tenase din a nkofo no begu omo party. Eti etoda parliament wonu no omo woso omo kakra ne nyina no eye strategy just to slow them down. Enye botremu kan wonu ote ewo internet no sisi how there opabo Afenyo Markin on KSM show ebe piaba de tie no nsema okeka ne dade so eno ano mo exhibit no so on etie no na ka denti na nka mo ko election crucial elections election we will break or make MPP asema mi ketie ni yo Saturday abano mo beto no ida say be break MPP to ana say e de MPP be gina e hoye so on etie no eti why not concentrating there esemo mo kokko fire omo keka nyina ni nyina mfa kwa mu
so mo se ma ban na nje economic gains na mfa na yo omo nsa no adwuma
on say we sabio obi bonsa ana oni ni di nkomo a wo se nkomo no ye different o ne de no nkomo na se kote no na na mo njenjen ebi no mo ye yo look one na mo kremu say mo wo ideas ya Asante rich cracker ho rich ideas ana ideas mo se mo dey go akwan mu ana me boa ya huhu hwe look Ato Forson President Mahamadu Bawumia no how dey Ato Forson kokko share finance any ade you tell me once you say inflation ekosoro. Tell me in the whole about 13-14 months here omo aban huh? I quite remember either once or twice ana fuel should to cost all the time so tetes up to now. In fact you were a few more what so by 3 times.
Yeah.
You were January or what teteso what you in fact say 2 times. So on you know. What rich idea no and man yes I don't know. Rich idea to be there. Obviously good for a year or more de buy. Okay, yen tum. You who say Bawumia Campaign so you good for you. Adameboa. Obeka didn't know so you good for you. Was say Asante dollar no ho ayena. Normally dollar kwako 20 na maybe ana mafo prices here then e kosoro. Eti say you know. Wabu the Ghana city ba beto gold. No de akwakoje oil na ba. O man ganje so mu de kwakoma medem kra na akoto once akwakoto you know. Was say the gold no kwakwaje oil. Na man for bisa say hefa wi asi mu hefa na yes ade no. Say the gold ekwakoje oil. Yemfa ne say sa pepepe. The reason botaye a na teye kire ni say kokoye gold for oil na fuel price no say ya antisokra na a big gina ho kokosoro so on no no started good for oil 2022 check it 2022 sa besi 2024 January 7 2025 o mu fra ban fuel no kosra ma diesel gra hit 25 cedis a liter 25 cedis and the diesel is saying about 11
yeah maybe at 1090.
So on that no eti na chese go for oil na wo se wo de ba beba no wo botaye no atonsuo obi aba no wasi dok me nya gold for oil na mom ye better to gold na go ye man microphones ma ye dwuma airport da.
Yeah,
when I tell you how people smuggle things here wo mo smuggle the kwa bonten any idea it will shock you. She bia na for na yifo na go ina omugu okwa
na ye den na omugu ho na still comfort me smuggle ne ma ama na wo ho na ye den na wo ho na
let me expose something today. Say okwa airport one na a whole lot of for different groups and na running airport no you were civil aviation for ho you were airport company for ho Oba security services your national security, the BNI, the customs, for immigration, police, all these people, private securities in India, NAPO for just a whole lot. I know mugo honum. Na Ghana Airport Company for no, or more department aviation security, or more na sanyo maweno, no mu control ba.
Okay.
So on it, you know. And this will be a penny. Yeah, well, baby, I screening you, man. In penny for never post to me. No more the more alcohol. And me na make it time good. Me pesa me smuggle the co. And I'm name say, oh, ye penny, oh, Ghana Airport Company. Be na for us, I just give you, be a honum. Yes, can you, mana? Be na for no engine screen no, ebi. National security for no, near possible screen no, so be. It is a scan the gumo, say go the gumo, say the gumo, or mono or monche.
Ah.
Oh, yes, that is the practice.
Ah.
Oh, say, oh, mama.
Who are on a sanity? So, what did you do about it? Then I will found.
Okay, almost a sanity.
I ain't for a sanity.
I know more honor.
Airport phone.
Yeah. Almost a sanity. And yet. Based on intelligence and I say bibia wo beti say no am oni ada hono a wo de omoni to wo de oni to omo so a wo be di odokno kwa eti be recommendation bi say wo monye na security for no enso nya access to the screening eti omo screening a na wo so wo say even ye fan say BNI boss wo access wo no what in office a obetima hu for one go training so won't identify I don't know. It will not go through the training. What your office I don't know what you mean say neko. You go daddy you two kroma. Na India for ne sa Dubai for any and the ade. Hey. Almost smokers ah. No be on ground with me omo ye. Almost share that crash share fake ones.
Fake gold.
Me na me catch no. No more Aba airport one. Proper one enough for muko. Fake one or woman say okay, ye nyam kon ne kra. Wo dey twen no mo dey ko. Genuine one.
E ko deda.
Obi te suro ho ba bi wa geni sika hye no botom. E ko. Ondwene oban no ho.
Wow.
Eti se wo ye bia na ni na sha wo te ho a, wo be ye dan no wo. So ne tie no. Won te se wo be chese mo be duadua mu yie pa no. Eye problem. Ana ban ya ye se, ye ma kwan. E ma wo bia meto gold se o de kwa no akoton. Wo de wo ye broni no aba beto gold a, no problem. Farmer gold board for no. E be kwa akoton no mo do sika bon. Any ade. Ada atima silly say you we. Kakra. So on it no. Well you be crab I think say I need to suggest to the finance minister na mo hwe say o mo betima ye ho adwuma e wo ho no ma. No, yeah. Me ka say krom ha. Ye airport, Temaport, ye di ani eto na Ghana ni bi o ye adwuma ho bia say o be ye adwuma January ye nkobo bo say wa bro chire da wo.
Scar.
Now the number of containers ever every day. Duty or mutua. Any ade. As so no, we be hwene skadi na akwakodi obi botom. So, obi wonu ma akwakofa ye mfa ne say chicken. Chicken thigh ene chicken ye can say waist. No, waist no. The sisi no. Back no. Back no. E de no nye ayi. Duty ni nye pe.
Okay.
So, ebia of akofa chicken breast. I don't know, duty no wasoro. Obi akofa sadi ni na no aba wasi o makofa chicken back. No dey aba. Eti say we yemfa ni say breast no wutua 10 cedis a. Ebia chicken back no betua be 2 cedis.
No watua 2 cedis dia clear breast dey we dey nyina.
Share difference. Na hwe sika ye lose.
Okay.
Custom officer and so ya no akwa Kennedy Agyapong yo no clear no apasi omo no omoko. Eti se ye gusu a ye say duty sika bia wo betua bia no e se wotua no online anasa digital no se eti bi koso na ye full ye pa na ye ma ye custom for no gadget a eno no mo de beji ska ni ade a se obi entua physical cash mo na ade akwa go botom. It is bia wo beje obi a wo be ponche bia no straight to Central Bank. Sammy ma we nyina ano mo ya chese miama etimi Expóse. Enti se Afenyo Markin mo kase wo mo e de ye bibi ana aba we di sumfaso a menti ase se well menti ase. It means say wo mo jitum say yes aba na ye bibi. Na bom se abeka se oh aban wa ya de ne de ane e wo boa ye ne wo ba beche ebi ane wo ye no.
Okay.
Bawumia obi a na nka wo ye economics yi expert na o alleges Bawumia onzo mu yusu no wa
mu yusu no se
anya se omo me se omo ti asem na America no mama no nsiwie omo no omo yusu no ye Dankwa Institute for no omo de jiska go motom no so na ni anje no kasa na mental we they say you na man for budget so any ade na obi de jiska go no botom omo ma ne kasa ya dru ba bi kura no chese ensem no bi ho no ma wo kan Bank of Ghana for ina no mutima ya omo kasre ne akwa we oye good o onimade papa sa no on twate o ne dia ne se wa wi agu ne tim no ababeka look since ne pie aye komra bodu ewuye no wo hu se watima ye lecture biom that young brilliant intelligent guy wo free mu na no ano no onye doctor why you just a graduate, no one get a master's simple. But what you say, just say, one no the life of Bawumia. Over a doctor, I'm an ababe, YNP, any other. Once what my lecture. The first lecture I would try, I know more call a Yuhonum baby, was say, you know, it was true then, it was true now. No, say, obedience. Once what kind economic professor, Dr. Bafu, Professor Bafu Jan, who said, one man control the laughter. No? So, Allah, the TV control the other.
All right, time now about just a minute on 31st.
31st. Is that my gadget? Make or Enra. I'm so much book of British Council about Kennedy Agyapong. Or more invite him, in fact. The way I not cause no ban and that's Sammy. And I'm coming, Tim Kotobu Kunubako. I don't come and get some yiba. Na Oshe send your Americana. Papa no, our confidence is obeying. Now, one will say, or must start it. Oh, Anna, info analytics say, Bawumia Bawumia. Me save or more in info analytics because why push towards 2028. Now, dear, or Muma make a sentient near here. But you see, dear, I am a yiga can say. Push say, Bawumia winning. Anna, Yamin Crawford, Mrs. Kennedy winning. Sissy, ye barber which is which. Say, the Jamaica yeno, ayeno cray. Say, Ampa or Kasaye, or Chusu say, and echo. And I say, pools now, or Muya, man for Chero Margin, and no NAPO. Now, media, I don't wish them bad, but I can see how unconformable my daddy. I can see. Because a man for be say, or more last chance in Omokon. And ye are more and one. Let him mad him some bobby pa. Or move bobby papa. Dr. Bawumia, or one marketing for 16 years. 16 years old. Oh, you're torn. Yeah, what will be 16 years? Ediabim. And Bawumia so Abe running mate for 8 years, or be vice president for Unconform do more examples in now, or beard the Honoma. Why are running mate paying? And so Babedi can say
vice president.
Flag bearer. Just say, what call 2 times and I saw call 3 times.
Yeah.
Zone yet, you know. Kufo was not a running mate, was not a vice president, or by it. Second term or win here, straight. Akufo Addo, one year running mate, 1 year vice president, or by you know, 3 times or win here. Would ye? 1 year running mate, 8 years. What about the year vice president, 8 years, 16 good years. Jesus Christ. Edia biom na ohwe.
All right.
Edia biom ana ohwe. Etimedie. Me say na emre bia na meka no. Me minya ya. Enka me darling boy nyaye. Bra champon. Enyaye because 2028 the MPP they should forget. Ayi concert no moye. Say MPP be we need 20 aye concert. Omo anga se omo nim, omo ka omo no yomudu. Enso so omo be den, omo beka. Omo prepare ahead. But omo so no there is a caveat. 4 elections in Ombelusu no Ombelusu omo kosro bafom. What the upper mind is mess it up. It won't be MPP. It will not. Ubo say United Party you take over from NDC. Ni yokoyenim.
All right.
That's number be ye can say. Bernard Chairman of Council of State. Na wa shout to near mama.
All right.
As Ecclesiastes says that there's time for everything. You may like him or not. Now, NPP's best chance. It doesn't mean when he comes, power will be on a silver platter. It doesn't mean Bawumia or Brian can never win power. Having said that, but you analyze the level of probability. And some of us with about 30 years experience in politics, what we know and what we have been confronted with, we think Kennedy is taller than all of them. You can be the best. If the opportunity for you to be in power is not there, all that we are doing will not go anywhere.
The question
and now the last thing I want to say, I beg you, sorry, is this issue about somebody spoke against this. I'm one person, watch me clearly, I may be wrong, but I hardly initiate attacks, me all my life. Because I don't want to be left alone with God and deep in my heart, what I did was wrong. But I also have a weakness. When you initiate something against me, these days I'm changing. And I'm replying, I'm doing multiple folds. That's my life. Look, Dr. Bawumia he was liking me to a rabbit. He used unprintable words that I'm intelligent. Enough, they are there, video. Because he's a very good man. He will never do that for any bad thing. But he's been misinformed. And they were comparing me to even Ami Anta, my own brother. I hadn't done anything of that sort. So sometimes, if you want to, I'm saying this with respect to what my other younger brother said. Those things you see around, people initially or generally create troubles, put in the public domain to get sympathy votes, to attack other people, to say all sorts of things because of power. But the most important thing is what this gentleman said. And the other person, we need unity, we need cohesion. If we don't stop putting fake news against others in the public domain, look, when I say people laugh, there are things that have been impotent. They are saying I'm not, all these are necessary. And people also say bad things about Bawumia's people too, Bawumia Campaign's people. They are all not good. Is it that when we want power, we have Ghana at heart, NPP and DC, that when I'm left alone with my God, sticker, is it that there were passions and my boy mine? And now to me, and I see Kentia. This is where the problem is.
Do you feel that you've suffered so much just because of your decision to go out for Ken?
I really don't care, but I fear for Ghana. Insulting me that they do even worse. A country that me, I'm a Jama boy from Opoku Aritek. Everybody knows me. I play like a child when I'm out. I'm a very disciplinarian, decent. I'm not perfect, but I work with integrity. I've been doing this for almost 20-something years. I have not been called by NDC that I've stolen money. And people know what I do for people. In my constituency, I've given over 1,000 scholarships. We've trained about 1,000 people to learn skills. I've provided tables and chairs for about 2,400 children. I've provided 14 communities out of 24 water. Go and check. I kill myself for people. That is what matters. I don't care what people say. But the danger is, for how long can we allow fake public information, TikTok, code cards, Facebooks, to destroy and adulterate decision-making processes by some of these young ones to affect our own country? That is where I'm scared. By insulting me, who am I? Even Jesus, they insult. Even Dr. Bawumia himself, they insulted him. I'm not his co-equal, he's my boss. Even Anadu, even Kennedy, even President Mahama. These are bigger guys than me in society. How much less me? But the point is, how can this be dealt with such that it doesn't one day break the entire society? Because misinformation is getting too much.
Okay, let me come to Solo, but probably you want to prepare and conclude on that for us. The argument that's been made that no candidate has won on their first attempt. You've heard, you know...
but is that true?
Liman
won, Busia won, even President Mahama won. And the issue we are talking about, retaining our brother, our boss, doctor, is that. Let me tell you.
You've heard the argument.
I won't go, because they use all sorts of tricks. I haven't seen, I stand to be corrected, I can't remember everything, but I haven't seen any candidate in MPP who first time reduced our vote by about 2.1 million. Moved up from 52% down to 41%. I've never seen that. And there are dynamics. When you talk, Ghana is the only country that I have seen, there could be others, but I mean those I've seen, that they can say that this is a fact, but don't say it. I get scared for our country. I will never go and sit anywhere that because somebody comes from you, vote for him. I don't even believe in tribe. There's nothing like tribe in our blood and genes. I did diploma in pharmacy, therapeutics, pharmacology. In our blood, there's no tribe. It's evolution. People live in the same area for a long time, adaptational tendencies, but in our blood, we are the same people. So I don't even believe in tribe.
Right.
But when you're analyzing political strategy, there are dynamics. Geographical voting. Have you thought about that? If the one you want to bring, his domain of voters, largely, not him as a problem, do not like your party. They like other party in the country. And you say, if I'm making a decision, that is not important because somebody will change the story and attack you. They are being trouble. My own boss, Dr. Bawumia, he was going all around saying that, oh, because I'm a Muslim and I'm a Zongo. And he didn't say anything bad because he was speaking the truth. They are saying, bring me. When you bring me, they will vote for me. Unfortunately, they did not. Not that he was lying anyway, but he knew that geographically, oh, because maybe I'm a Muslim, they also know. But Muslims do not hate Bawumia. Just that they prefer NDC. It doesn't mean all of them, but maybe about 70% by what we know. They like NDC than NPP. So if I'm making my next decision, and I love my party when I'm an honest person, it's not what's with Bawumia. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? So when you make this analysis, the bad guys among us, whether from Kennedy's camp or Bawumia camp or Brian or whatever, they change the story, put in the public domain, and others will make their decision out of insult. But the point is, I'm leaving this with everyone. Okay. Some of us that we claim we love Ghana, when we are left alone with God, with our all weaknesses and mistakes, let's have the young ones who are multiplying in drug abuse on the street. Let's just have them at heart and genuinely stop this propaganda, communist inferior tactics, have good intention, and build this country. That's what I can say.
So, you just had the gentleman say this was a beautiful opportunity for Alan to have made a statement.
Oh, that one dear. Oh, but when can they will come?
I mean, I can pardon him. He seemed not to have understood why Alan left the MPP, and rightly so. If Alan was to be born today in the same condition, I would be the first person to tell him to leave the MPP. We have never regretted leaving.
Why you will come? You come.
The truth of the matter is that the last time, why did you tell me that the Bawumia campaign people are saying, I can't naipe?
Yeah, I can't naipe. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. If Alan Kyeremanteng was in the MPP, I bet you that the last election, there was no way Bawumia would get 41%. The minimum would have been 46, 47. Even 41%, they are telling you I can't naipe. So with Alan's presence and him getting 47%, it would have been a catrepe. What would be the moral justification for the party to change Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, judging by what has happened in the past? Alan leaving the MPP exposed them. Exposed the party that you are not who you think you are. A lot of serious minds are living. That is why you could have Professor Boakye come and say that it's a fake party. Sitting here, deep down, because we were all in Tescom. I went to war in the year 2000. You went to Upper East.
You remember?
Of course, but I was. You were there when
my car got bent.
I went to Bayiri.
The way they beat some of
you understand? A lot of the guys, about 99% of the guys who are following Dr. Bawumia, they had no clue about the MPP. So why would it cross anybody's mind to even think that Mahamadu Bawumia must be a candidate before Alan? For anybody to come and sit here and say, this would have been Alan's chance. Jesus Christ, you open me. That Mahamadu Bawumia must go and contest and fail. And after that, we will look at Alan.
But that is leadership with it's about the timing.
God didn't choose it.
What he means is that if Alan had not left, maybe this time.
Let me tell you. Okay. It is an afterthought. They hate. People ganged up. I saw it in 2023. I asked myself, is it the party that all of us were born into and we sacrificed our lives? We could go on a campaign. You get to a constituency. All the people that will come and meet Alan, none of them is a delegate. Yeah. The constituency executives, they will tell you that they are going to funeral. They can't be. They will pass back and call, look, we want to be here. Our will betides you to be here. You are sacked. Look, we got to Afenyo. It was raining. The people that came, they said, look, we are not delegates. It was so bad. The hatred. It wasn't normal politics. It was that hatred. So if I'm in an organization and you hate me to the core, I'll be a fool to continuously stay in that.
So you advise Alan never to return?
In fact, I will never. If he wants to, by me sitting here, what I've seen with this.
Or even if Kennedy comes, he won't come.
Because the point is that Kennedy will be rigged, and I'm coming to the peace park.
Just land on that quickly so we can wrap up.
I'm landing because even your time is up. The reason why this peace pact was signed is to rig this election for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia.
Oh, how?
You have not voted. You are telling me, do you know the conditions that they have set out in the peace pact? They say no matter what happens, you have to accept. Hey, we are going into an election. So we went and voted. Because I have signed a peace pact, if I know that at Okankwe South, I got 30,000 or 700, and they gave me 0. They are saying, shut up. You have signed a peace pact. You must accept it. Is that how you build a political party? Where from this?
Oh, but that's on paper.
And that
it binds you. It's a product. It's not a raw material.
I'm coming.
Just to support your point.
It binds you from 2026 to 2028.
Right.
It is only a way of rigging this election for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. But the effect
but that's not true.
After 31st.
Now and I disagree with you.
Bring me and Sika here.
Okay, yes.
On this same matter. And you will see that we'll be singing
Kennedy has a
on the day.
Don't worry yourself.
On the day,
check what will happen.
Well, your time is up. Don't let me believe it. But
stop that.
On the day of the elections,
look, it will be a totally different ball game altogether.
So Bawumia win.
But Kennedy, no.
Oh, I am telling you.
Where I support my brother here, just a minute, is that one thing about I say Africans and even Ghanaians. I've traveled to so many different countries. I study cultural behaviors. Right. Honestly, this part of our world. The youth, please. This part of our world, we like doing the wrong thing and expecting the right results. Peace is not a raw material. It's a product.
Right.
It's a product of what?
All right.
Fairness, justice, processes that benefit everyone.
All right.
So you cannot just say,
thank you so much.
I'll force peace
and I get it. And that's Dr. and that's Dr. Stephen Amwa for you. He says Ken will win.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.